Welcome back to you all. So in our video of today, I'll be showing you guys how to download iTunes on Windows. So I'll open my web browser. I'll type iTunes, download. So I'll go here. Then I choose the version of iTunes in which I want to download. If you have a 32-bit computer, you download this one. So if you have a 64-bit, you download this other one. Since my machine is 64-bit, I'm going to download this one. Then you can see that my download has started. Let's wait until this is. I'm going to open the file. iTunes file in the downloads. So I'll click on iTunes setup. I'll accept this. Next. I accept. Okay, finish. So if this video was helpful, why don't you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.